Hey again, y'all, it's me, Nana V, and myself and my Chewini ESA baby just arrived to the new address, and we're getting ready to start putting whatever we can, emptying this car. My car is poor little Suzi-Q. Been loaded with all kinds of, yeah. So anyway, we got the keys today. Richard signed all the papers today. It was a long, hot day here, and I grabbed some Whataburger for him to eat. He was very hungry. I was hungry. We ate half, but we split an avocado burger meal. We split it, and he is at his old, apartment, our old apartment, napping now. He had to lay down. The heat wore him out, and of course it wears me out. And sometimes I wonder, does he realize how much he really does wear me out? Or does he think he's the only one that gets worn out? So I'm going to grab some things here. Let's see. Doggy toilet paper holder. Napkins. I just got all kind of stuff in this car. I've been driving around. Oh, skin so soft. Oh, don't want that to waste. Been driving around with all kind of stuff in this car, actually. Weeks, months, you name it. And so now I'm looking forward to going in, making sure the AC is on, turn on the AC, and unload the car, and rest as soon as I can. I'll take a little nap. I didn't bring the air mattress yet, but I will be doing. That's my Snoopy toilet paper.